Have you ever taken a bunch of photos, but when you check them later, the angle just wasn't it? Maybe too high, too low, or just not the vibe you wanted? Don't worry, you don't need to reshoot anything. I've got something super cool for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you an AI tool that can literally change your photo's camera angle instantly. And the best part, you don't need to write a single prompt. Yeah, zero prompting, just upload and slide. First, we're using a tool called Qwen Image Edit Camera Angle Control. It's insanely good at adjusting camera angles from any of your photos. I'll put the link in the description, so go ahead and check it out later. Once you're on the website, just upload your photo right here. Any photo works, selfie, full body, whatever. Now this is where the magic starts. The first thing you can adjust is the rotation, either left or right. Just drag the slider to choose how many degrees you want, or type the number manually if you want it precise. Then hit Generate to see the preview. You only need to click once, and the cool part is if you change the angle again, the preview will automatically refresh. Next, you can set Move Forward, basically a digital zoom or close-up. You can push it up to 10 levels. And then there's vertical angle, which gives you that bird view or worm view effect. Super useful if you want a dramatic angle without retaking the photo. If you're happy with the new angle, just hit download and save it straight to your gallery. And here's a bonus feature a lot of people don't know. You can even make a video transition between your original image and the new angle. Just click Create Video Between Images, wait a few seconds, and boom, you get a smooth angle change animation you can save too. So next time your photos look great, except for the angle, don't stress and don't redo the whole shoot. Just tweak it with this AI tool and get the perfect angle in seconds. Seriously, this can save you so much time.